Hi, this is Chuck Oliver. Welcome to this week's Hidden Wealth Solution Review. Well, I want to talk to you about tax credits and tax deductions. And I couldn't put it better than the article titled out of Kiplinger I talk about on Hidden Wealth Radio this weekend. If you want to save money, have a tax plan. Save money, have a tax plan. Folks, I'm going to teach you that this coming Tuesday at retirementprotected.com. That's retirementprotected.com, where I'm going to talk about tax credits and tax deductions. And I think about two particular couples. Both had the desire to save taxes. One did their own taxes. One had someone doing their taxes, and they are saving zero in taxes, by the way. We asked them, what's your tax plan? We don't have a tax plan. That's why we're reaching out. Folks, if you don't have a tax plan, you're missing, as Kiplinger says, the most vital piece to a retirement planning puzzle are the taxes. I don't know why it's taken so long for these think tanks to come out with this. I've been talking to people about this for 20 years. But there's never been better than getting while the getting's good. Let me give you an example. One of the tax credit programs that we have access to, and it's very limited, there's only a certain limited supply, provides the ability to use one tax credit to convert about $300,000 to $400,000 out of an IRA to Roth IRA and use the credit to offset all the conversion tax. And you don't want to wait, even if you have high income right now, right? Or you've just been told like, wow, it doesn't make sense because you're going to have to pay the tax out of your pocket. No, use strategies that allow deductions and credits to offset the taxes. And that's why having a tax team with over 620 CPA firms, having a dedicated tax planning team that does proactive looking forward tax planning is helping our clients save a fortune. This is what big businesses do. They go back and use credits and get hundreds of millions of billions of dollars of taxes back. But instead of looking at just getting taxes back, you can use these strategies, deductions and credits, to take care of taxes that are going to be coming forward. And the cost of waiting is super expensive. I think of a client, we ran the tax risk road that he was on, which is part of our process. I'll teach you this coming Tuesday at retirementprotected.com. And based on what he saved, and he's been a strong saver, what he and his wife have saved in tax-deferred accounts, he will pay 50% more than what he has in his account balances. Now, two of those clients, this one in particular, used tax credits to go back and get about $200,000 of taxes from last year, and now using some of those tax credits to create and go into programs to provide tax deductions that allows him to have he and his wife's income under a certain threshold to avoid capital gain tax. The other client's using the tax credits and the tax deduction programs to move about $1 million out of their IRAs to Roth at a net effect zero tax to them of zero. So whether it's a 5 times, 10 times tax deduction, whether it's a $100,000 tax credit per credit, you can save taxes. Save money, have a tax plan. retirementprotected.com, retirementprotected.com.